pretty sure like everyone remembers where they were when they first saw Goku's Namek transformation. It's amazing. It's one of my favorites. And the hair is so different as well. It's like bigger or something. So let's try and draw this. I've drawn similar one. Well, maybe not from the back. But anyway, this is cool. And it reminds me of when he goes Ultra Instinct for the first time as well. They really like drew on that. But let's draw. I'm on a landscape page. It would probably work portrait for you as well. But I just do it on landscape. So he's looking down, real serious. So we'll get like his nose in because he's in profile. So I'll start down here. It's pretty small. I'll zoom in. And we'll just go out like that. And his nose is kind of like a little L shape or an upside down 7. Like that. And they draw in the underneath, like the bridge of the nose, kind of like the underneath of the shadow of it, kind of like this. So we do like another L shape going that way. And it's like it makes a little triangle in there. So then at the top of the nose, we turn this shape into like a Z then. So it like goes that way. Okay. Now, so this is like his brow area. So that's where the eyebrow comes from. So we do a sort of a hook, sort of a line there, just the start of his eyebrow. And because he's looking down, it kind of sharply goes this way. It's like a check mark. And then the end of it kind of bends around. And it's got like a thick square end. It'll go underneath his hair spike, right? But we'll draw it as if it doesn't. And we can go over. So it just curves back down and it gets smaller as it goes down. Like thinner. Down into there. And then that square eye, very long line here. And then it goes down to there. Now they don't finish it up into it. What they do is they draw his green Super Saiyan eye just there to sort of finish the eye instead of the box, finishing the box shape. It's just a different way of doing it. And then under there we have his cheek marks, those little hatching lines. And then we'll go do the mouth. So coming from the bottom of this triangle, we do like an M, like a letter M for his lips. So it like goes out, in, back out, and back in. Right, so it's like an M. And then his serious sort of downturned mouth just here. Like so. And then we'll go down for his chin. So his chin's pretty long, so it goes down that way. And then it'll go back in a little, it kind of changes direction. And then this goes up for his jaw. It kind of joins his neck as well, so it's a bit shorter. So it goes like that way. Up, and like his neck muscle is here as well. But I'll say like it changes direction for the jaw, like there. So like here you get like the muscle of his neck as well, so it kind of like comes down this way. You know, it's like 2 lines in one sort of a thing. And then just like the bottom of his chin finishes in there. So his ear, big ear, right? It's like from the mouth to above the eyebrow there, right? So you get like his earlobe here. They have real big ears in Dragon Ball. And the top of it is like all the way up here. See, so it's like above the eyebrow. So we'll just go down the side, join them together. And then we'll go to the inside. And then just around the earlobe. This comes back up here. Top of the ear there. And the inside of it. Just different ear line shapes. They have like an extreme sort of shadow on his cheek here. If you want to draw it, sometimes drawing it in might work. I might erase it, but it kind of goes like a cheekbone sort of thing. Like that. like coming from this hatching. And then there's like an extreme shadow on that. But you don't have to draw it with a line if you don't want to. It's like sometimes it's done just with shadow. Sometimes I think it looks cool. Right, that hair, so it's different now. So we'll go, there's a couple of spikes here, right? Like 2 going in that way. And then we have like one big one coming down across the eyebrow and the forehead. And it goes back. And it's hard to describe these spikes. They're kind of like, I don't know, they're more flowy or something compared to modern Goku. So there's a big one here. One in between them. And the back of it, right? So we're going like up all the way to there and then around to the back of his neck. So say if I went just here, we'll get his sort of neckline in just to get that hair in at the back. So you get like a mini spike here. So this will give us our direction and how big the hair is. And the back of his neck will just be there. Okay, so we want it to go like up to here. Like a candle flame, just going out and into a point. So we'll aim for that. So we'll add a spike. Going that way. Then we do some out here, just get the wide shape out this side. And we get the big one then in here. So we'll go. And then back down. There's a little one in here. And then we have a couple inside as well. So it's like another small one in here. And then a bigger one here. This way. Like that. Okay, that's his head pretty much. There's no textures on this yellow. It's not like the new one. There's not like lines or anything. It's just like a block of yellow. And I like it. It's good. So let's do his trapezius this way. Trapezius that way. And then he has like a line just for where his spine is, kind of here. It's like right of center. It's not like bang in the middle. It's a little bit over because his body is turned a slight bit. And there's like some scratches and stuff, like marks from the battle. Is there any scratches on his face? Yeah, there is actually. Some on his mouth. Right, and then his blue t-shirt is all ripped. Scraggly sort of zigzag lines just coming out like. And then we'll go down. So this starts to rip around his shoulder there, and on this side goes around the inside of his arm and his back down there. And you have all sort of fold lines and texture lines just for the fabric of his clothing. And then we can see his shoulder here curving. And then like his tricep just going down that way. So just a line that way. And then his other shoulder. There, tricep going down, and you got like deltoid muscle lines. And the start of his bicep. So a nice, easy one, I think this. Well, like easy-ish. Namek Saga Goku. Love it. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.